Number one, focus on the long-term strategies rather than the short-term trends. That's incredibly important. I'm using the same processes that the guys that were doing newspaper ads 30 years ago, or now maybe 40, 50 years ago sometimes. I'm using the same processes because they are proven to work. Don't focus on searching what's the trend of the moment. TikTok is doing all that. That should be 20% of your time. But pretty much all your strategies should be based on pillars, rock solid principle that will always, always work. Number two, remember the 4 pillars. The 4 pillars I talked about: content, sales funnel, something to promote, and follow up. Remember, content, sales funnel, something to promote, and follow up. Those are the pillars of every great, rock solid, unbreakable online marketing strategy. And last one, make an offer. That's my process to make sure that you have a great online marketing strategy. So that's a quick reminder of the process. Make an offer, sell it with stories, and make hooks to captivate the audience. Remember, you should always have great hooks, because those are the things that are going to grab the attention of the viewer first, and make sure that they go through your sales funnel, your sales process, and ultimately make sure that you close the deal.